2 days, one room. Every part of your building business on the table. The AI Edge we install with you, live in the room, gives you around 12 hours of your week back, built on the day, on your own business.
The biggest result of working with TBP over the last 6 months has been regaining my time and starting to build systems, working 35 to 40 hours a week, being able to kind of buy back my time.
We sit down with you and work out exactly how to fill your pipeline and win your time back. Pricing, hiring, contracts, the systems that protect your margin instead of eating it. This is the stuff most builders never get taught. Now here's the truth. Most builders still get work through word of mouth and hope is not a system. A pipeline that runs in the background is.
We would have never seen any of it. You're back there telling us, hey, this is wrong, this is wrong.
I know something's wrong. I don't know what.
Yeah, I guess that's the good thing of seeing under the hood of 3,000 building companies.
So since 2004, we've coached more than 3,200 builders. Together, they put over $7 billion through their businesses. Now, this isn't a regular business seminar. It's what's already working on sites in hundreds of American and Canadian building companies right now. You'll spend 2 days with coaches, specialists, and builders who've already walked it. Numbers, sales, marketing, team, systems. Every constraint you've got in the room worked on. Because having just the plan was never the point. Execution is. Your number one job as an owner is making sure that the work actually gets done and gets done profitably. That's what these 2 days are built to install. Two days in the heart of one of America's most walkable cities, with the Riverwalk, the Alamo, and the Texas Hill Country right on the doorstep. Work hard, switch off, bring the family. You can even go into the draw to win one of the grand prizes of a $10,000 Hawaii holiday. Flights, resort, transfers, the works. Every ticket goes in the running, drawn live on stage at the summit. Now look, this is for you if you own a residential building company and you want a fuller, more predictable pipeline. You're time poor and you want AI to handle the marketing and the admin that you never get to. You're tired of relying on word of mouth and want to control where the work comes from. You'll roll your sleeves up and build the systems in the room, not just watch. So here's the deal. Sit through day one. If you don't think it was worth it, we refund what you paid. Lowest risk you'll take all year for the biggest shift in your business. Make sure to secure your spot today as space is limited.